Hello everyone, and welcome to this video where I chat you through the differences between Songbirds Sports Massage Wax and Songbirds Sports Massage Liquiwax. Now, a huge difference between the two products is their grip to slip ratio, and that's something I want to chat you through before we get going. The grip to slip ratio will usually be stated with the product when you're buying it online. The number is usually between 1 to 10, and it lets you know whether the product has a higher grip or a higher slip in its product consistency. For example, the Sports Massage Wax has a higher grip to slip ratio, meaning that it's better for the deep tissue work, the more specific work, and your trigger point work. Whereas the Liquiwax has a reduced grip of around 2 out of 10, which suggests that it's better for more of the flowing techniques that you might use within your treatment. So now that we've covered the grip to slip ratio, I want to chat to you about the different scenarios you might choose one product over the other. So whether you're a seasoned professional in bodywork or you're new here and wondering what product to choose, watch this video and hopefully we'll be able to chat through the different scenarios that you might use these products. Starting off with Songbirds Sports Massage Wax. This product has a grip to slip ratio of around 5 out of 10, which makes this product perfect for your deep tissue work, the specific trigger point work, or any particular work that you might be doing in a specific area where you need more grip and less slip. Songbird have also introduced a vegan alternative in the sports massage wax, which brings a great variety to your clinic if you should need this product. And a top tip from us to you is when you're using the wax, a fantastic way to get the wax out is by using a spatula, taking out exactly how much you may need, and I often pop it onto my arm, placing the lid back on to the wax, and then I've picked out exactly how much I might need for that treatment. So then you have that no hands to contact with the wax that's in the tub. Next up is Songbirds Sports Massage Liquiwax. Now this product is perfect for more of the relaxation treatments. If you're needing a little bit more glide in your treatments, the grip to slip ratio for this product is around 2 out of 10, so makes it perfect for those flowing, easy techniques that you might do with your clients in your clinics. Alongside the Sports Massage Liquiwax, Songbird have also released a vegan alternative too. And as we can see with both products, they're a pump action bottle, making it no mess and easy to dispense exactly what you need and carry on with your treatment. What product to use for what type of treatment? If you're wanting something with a little bit more grip, then the Sports Massage Wax is the one for you. If you want a product with a little bit more glide, then the Liquiwax product is the one that you'll be looking for. As stated, both products have a vegan alternative and come in a different range of sizing to suit you, your clinic and your needs. You will find the link below to click to the website and purchase your Sports Massage Wax or Liquiwax today.